in here. It's almost like a backwards train, boys. Check that out. Look at that, guys. That's like a train right there. Watch your step, indeed. All right. Like I said, making with the 2-point lead at the half. Not gonna watch the second half, but it's almost time for the playoffs to start. NFL Saturday, divisional round. Nothing like it, boys. A lot of pizza tonight. All right. Got Ravens winning. 49ers winning. I'll be 2-0 after tonight. I only put 4 confidence points on the 49ers. I figured it didn't really matter where I put the confidence points. I'm going 4-0 anyway, getting all the points. So, all right, guys. See you later.